Small to medium businesses and regional edge environments need an IT infrastructure that is simple yet adaptable and can be deployed to meet their specific needs. They need peace of mind that their IT infrastructure will be reliable to keep the IT network up and running. EcoStruxure Row Data Center meets these needs by utilizing the standardized and best-in-class building blocks. This approach is as simple as building a structure using the standard and repeatable blocks. These building blocks can be configured into a wide variety of solutions for specific customer needs. In this module, you will learn about the features and benefits of EcoStruxure Row Data Center. We know that EcoStruxure Row Data Center comes with a typical deployment size of between 3 to 20 racks and 20 to 150 kilowatts of power. The number of racks can be increased as per the customer's requirement. This makes it easy and fast to configure. For small to medium businesses, customers often face a challenge with the deployment of IT equipment, utilization of existing space, or time-consuming installation. The modular nature of EcoStruxure Row Data Center minimizes the cost and complexity of modernizing infrastructure. With Row Data Center Designer tool, it is easy to design EcoStruxure Row Data Center Solutions with a few clicks. You can configure rack, power, cooling, and containment. Finally, you select the management software, security, and services to provide an end-to-end solution. After the design is finalized from the Row Data Center Designer tool, all the building blocks of physical infrastructure are delivered at the customer's location. The first three building blocks of EcoStruxure Row Data Center, rack, power, and cooling, are installed at the required site. Next, the NetBots environmental monitoring and security can be set up for the solution along with the management software, such as EcoStruxure IT Expert and EcoStruxure IT Advisor. These software connect with hardware devices of EcoStruxure Row Data Center to collect critical data. Schneider Electric and its certified partners offer a full suite of services to support the design, build, and operation of EcoStruxure Row Data Center Solutions. For 24/7 monitoring and management of EcoStruxure Row Data Center across every site, there is EcoStruxure Asset Advisor. There are installation services such as assembly and startup, as well as a variety of maintenance services. Therefore, EcoStruxure Row Data Center can be quickly designed, delivered, and installed to help reduce the time to get IT, storage, and networking equipment up and running. Since customers can increase the number of racks as per their requirement, it is scalable. The row-based architecture of EcoStruxure Row Data Center requires less construction. The fully contained version enables it to be deployed in non-IT spaces. The key benefits that customers get with EcoStruxure Row Data Center can be summarized as standardized, adaptable, and easy to design, deploy, and manage. Let's meet Mary, who is an account manager at a Schneider Electric partner, with several years of experience in recommending data center solutions. The Schneider Electric partner is looking for opportunities that lead to business growth, maximize operational efficiency, and help their clients build successful business cases. Mary's key responsibilities include dealing with customers who need end-to-end solutions, answering customer queries, delivering accurate information, and making customers understand various offerings. During a sales meeting, she meets Paul, who owns a small transport company and is planning to expand his business. Mary asks him to describe his growth plans. Paul explains that he wants to open 2 new branches at different locations as early as possible. Currently, his company's data is stored locally and on a private cloud. He also wants to store and monitor data regionally, and therefore would need more IT and storage capacity. To deploy this additional IT capacity, Paul is looking for an easy-to-configure data center solution that can meet the needs of business expansion and deploy IT equipment in the vacant space of the existing room within a short span of time. Mary discovers that there is no on-site support staff to handle security, physical threats, or IT downtime. Further, she asks Paul about the free space and conditions of the room, Paul shares the dimensions of the existing room and describes the office conditions. After analyzing all requirements from Paul, she builds a simple, fast, configurable, manageable, and adaptable solution using the Row Data Center Designer tool and presents it to Paul. Here's what she presents. The EcoStruxure connected products will include net shelter racks, Symetra PX UPS, in-row direct expansion cooling, metered switched PDUs, and NetBots. Management software and services will provide the required visibility and remote support. Further, Mary shares her insights about each product. The containment can be added for the solution to increase the cooling system efficiency while protecting the critical IT equipment and personnel. The Symetra PX will offer a modular 3-phase power protection and will be scalable without forced shutdowns. The metered and switched rack power distribution units, or RPDUs, will provide remote monitoring of individual outlets. The all-inclusive NetBots portfolio is a network monitoring solution. It will protect against physical threats, environmental or human, that can cause IT infrastructure disruption or downtime. EcoStruxure IT Expert will provide remote management and support. EcoStruxure IT Advisor will provide full insights into the performance and operation of EcoStruxure Row Data Center. EcoStruxure Asset Advisor will provide 24/7 monitoring and management of EcoStruxure Row Data Center across every site. There will be installation and maintenance services offered with this solution. For any on-site service support, a technician from Schneider Electric or from a certified service partner will travel to the remote location to resolve the issue. After Mary's presentation, Paul is quite happy with Schneider Electric's EcoStruxure Row Data Center Solutions, as all his needs are addressed. In this module, you learned how EcoStruxure Row Data Center offered a standardized, adaptable, and scalable row-based solution to Paul. To learn how Mary configured the solution, refer to the next module, Understanding Row Data Center Designer Tool. We encourage you to continue this learning journey.